Welcome to Xavier South Ridge Estates by Brown, a soon-to-rise high-end subdivision nestled in the heart of Bayanga, Cagayan de Oro City. Imagine living in a community where nature and modern living come together seamlessly. Here, you will find peace and tranquility, surrounded by breathtaking views of mountains, rivers, and trees. Located in an exclusive uptown suburb, Xavier South Ridge Estates offers cooler weather and fresh air for a healthy lifestyle. Proximity to key landmarks such as Xavier Estates, Uptown Metropolis, SM Uptown, and the former Lumbee Airport. With its strategic location, you're just minutes away from schools, churches, shopping centers, and medical facilities, making it the perfect choice for families and professionals. Don't just imagine your dream home, make it a reality at Xavier South Ridge Estates. A modern haven in nature awaits you.